Today we'll show you how to install the MK07 steering hub upgrade. First, we'll need the MK07 steering hub upgrade parts and the included screws, a 2.0 hex driver, a 8.0 hex socket, and a 2.5 hex driver. First, use the 8.0 hex socket to remove the wheel nut. Now remove the wheel. Use a 2.0 screwdriver to remove the 4 screws from the mudguard. Use a 2.0 screwdriver to remove the set screw from the wheel hex, and remove the wheel hex. Use a 2.0 screwdriver to remove the securing screw on the steering tie rod. Pull the tie rod away from the steering hub. Remove the upper and lower screws from the steering hub. And remove the 2 flanged bushings from the steering hub. Use a 2.5 screwdriver to unscrew the 4 securing screws on the portal gear casing. And then open the portal gear case. Take out the bearing from inside and remove the gears one by one. Use any appropriate tool or needle nose pliers to remove the C-clip securing the gears and remove the 2 bearings there. All the portal gear parts have been removed. Place the original bearings back into the metal steering hub upgrade. And replace the gears back in order into the metal steering hub. Use needle nose pliers to secure the C-clip. Rotate the gears to check movement. Apply some lubricant to the gears' meshing points. Finally, put on the hub cover and tighten the screws. Slide the flanged bushings into the steering hub. Now insert the assembled metal steering hub into the C-hub. Rotate the axle manually here to fully insert the CVD into the axle housing. Tighten the upper and lower screws securing the steering hub to the C-hub. Position the steering link and servo rods and tighten reattach the screws. Insert the wheel hex and tighten the set screw. Reinstall the mudguard by lining up the corresponding holes. Install the wheel and tighten the well nut. That's all for how to upgrade the MK07 with a metal steering hub. See you soon at the Rlaarlo Engineering Workshop.